Hello, this is Valeria from BMS365. Welcome to another edition of BMS eLearning Tips. In this update, we're introducing a few improvements designed to make your month-end documentation clearer and easier to manage. To begin with, there is a new column on the task details that allows to approve each task once the assigned user has marked it as complete, so the process can be monitored from a different level, ensuring a higher level of supervision. Within the Monthend for Visual Manufacturing app, you will now see a new toolbar in the Summary and User Notes sections. This toolbar lets you add links to network files, SharePoint folders, web pages, or mail to addresses. You can also use formatting options like headers, bold text, tables, and other layout tools to keep your notes organized. Emojis can be added as quick visual markers when needed. For example, you can link all your standard operating procedures, SOPs, to any step of your month-end process to make sure your team has detailed instructions to follow. In addition, another great new feature is the voice typing button. If you right-click inside the Notes area, you will find this voice typing option under More Tools. This allows you to dictate your notes directly, which can be helpful when capturing information on the spot, store it there for future references, and to let the team know any specific information about this particular task. In summary, all these updates support clearer, better structured references for your finance department and make it easier to review information at month end. They also set a foundation for future use of AI assistants, which work best with well-organized content. If you'd like help using any of these features, feel free to reach out by emailing us at info@bms365.com, and I will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to your feedback.